The Monetary Policy Committee met on 3rd, 4th and 5th February 21 and deliberated on current and evolving macroeconomic and financial developments, both domestic and global. The MPC voted unanimously to leave the policy repo rate unchanged at 4%. It also unanimously decided to continue with the accommodative stance of monetary policy as long as necessary, at least through the current financial year and into the next year, to revive growth on a durable basis and mitigate the impact of COVID-19 while ensuring that inflation remains within the target going forward. The marginal standing facility rate and the bank rate remain unchanged at 4.25%. The reverse repo rate stands unchanged at 3.35%. I would like to first set out briefly the broad contours of the MPC's decision-making process and its underlying motivation. Inflation outturns in the last 2 months have turned out to be better than what was expected at the time of the December meeting. For the first time during the COVID-19 period, inflation has eased below the upper tolerance level of 6%. Going ahead, factors that could shape the food inflation trajectory in coming months, including likely bumper Kharif harvest, arrivals in markets, rising prospects of good Rabi crop, larger winter supplies of key vegetables, and softer poultry demand on fears of avian flu are all indicative of a stable near-term outlook. The preliminary estimates of GDP for 2020 and 21 released by the National Statistics Office on January 7th has turned out to be very close to the MPC's December projection. The outlook on growth has improved significantly with positive growth impulses becoming more broad-based and the rollout of vaccination program in the country auguring well for the end of the pandemic. Given that inflation has returned within the tolerance band, the MPC judged that the need of the hour is to continue to support growth, assuage the impact of COVID-19 and return the economy to a higher growth trajectory.